This is a certified pre-owned 2012 Ford Focus. This car has an automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, a rear spoiler, the Securalock anti-theft system, dusk sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 11,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Don Sanderson Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6400 North 51st Avenue in Glendale.